So we are at Featherstone Sanctuary at the moment, and behind me is Kangaroo. Actually, I got a kiss off this kangaroo. She was very nice. I don't know, he or she, let's say. Very adorable. Hello, hello. You're lovely. You're lovely. Yes. Let's just see if she'll talk to us. How are you doing? How are you doing? Would it be okay? Hello? 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 How are you? How are you? Yeah. 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 Yes. You're very nice. You're very nice. You're very nice. You're very nice. More kisses?
Oh,
You're very nice. Very nice. One more kiss? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. And that's how you get a wee kissy for Kangaroo. Her breath was stinking, but I didn't want to say. It's a bit rude, wasn't it? Very nice.